What's up, Shaakeed? I found out how to do that problem and I wrote it out. So the quotient is just really the answer, and remainder is what you're going to get at the end. And what you have to use is synthetic division, which is you make something that looks like this. You start something off, and on the outside right here you're going to want to put what number would make the denominator of your equation equal out to 0. So in this case it'd be -1. So put a -1. Then on the top row inside that bracket type thing, you're going to want to put the coefficients of your numerator. So your coefficients would start off with 3, 1, and then another 1. So it'll look like this. The first number inside the bracket, the 3, you bring it down to the bottom and you put it outside the bracket like this. Then what you're going to want to do is times the number outside your bracket, that -1, by the 3. And you're going to want to put that underneath the first one inside the bracket. So -1 times 3 is -3. Then you would add, so 1 plus -3 would give you -2. And you put that underneath it, outside the bracket. That's right, -2. Then you would do the same thing. You'd get the -1 times the -2 that you just made. That would give you 2. You put it underneath that last 1 inside the bracket. And then you would add them. So when you add them, you get 3. With the last number, what you do is you put it in a box like this. That's your remainder. The second number, the -2, is your constant, so that stays the same, whether it be negative or positive. And your first number here, the 3, would be your x. So you put an x after the 3. So your answer would be 3x minus 2. That would be your quotient. And your remainder would be 3. And that's how you do it. Hope it helped. See you, man.